Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send XRP from Trust Wallet to Robinhood in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, transferring assets like XRP has become even more seamless, but it's crucial to get it right to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will have you moving your XRP in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Robinhood apps installed and updated to their 2025 versions. This ensures compatibility with the latest blockchain protocols. Start by opening your Trust Wallet app. Navigate to your XRP wallet. It's usually listed under your assets. If you don't see XRP, double-check that you've added it or imported your wallet correctly. Next, head over to your Robinhood app. Go to the deposit section for cryptocurrencies. Select XRP and copy the unique deposit address provided. This address is specific to your Robinhood account, so don't mix it up with any other wallet. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, back in Trust Wallet, tap on the XRP asset and select the Send option. Paste the Robinhood deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for network fees. XRP transactions are super cheap, but fees can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and any memo if required by Robinhood. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. You'll see a confirmation screen. Review it one last time. After sending, the transaction will go through the XRP ledger, which is known for its speed, so it should confirm in seconds to minutes. Finally, jump back to Robinhood and refresh your account. Your XRP should appear shortly. If it doesn't, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your XRP. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit the bell icon. Stay safe out there, and see you in the next video. Happy trading!